Hi, welcome back to ODE YouTube channel. My name is Paulo and I'm here again for another unboxing, and this is quite exciting because it comes from the United States, and it's not just because of that, it's because it comes from the United States. It didn't go into the costume, so it is another nice thing. And another nice thing is that this pen is on my wish list for 2021, and it is great to get a pen that is in my wish list for this year. The pen was sent to me by another famous pen reviewer, WaskiSquirrel, and we made an exchange of pens, and I think that's a good thing because we can both reduce the number of pens we have in a way and have pens that we like more. So let's do it. I have here a Victorinox knife to make it a little easier. Maybe this can be open here. Let me try to find a way to open this. Maybe I can just rip it. Okay. I just paused the video for a little bit to put some tape over the personal addresses because I didn't know it was written here. And let's take a look at this ink sample. It is very well packed, which is good because sometimes there are big ink sample accidents, and this pen was in the mail system for over a month. And there is no leakage, and this is very well packed also. So it is Noodler's Matahari Cordial. So interesting ink. I saw this ink in his channel before, I think. So here we have the pen. This is very well closed. Let's cut it. Some other letters that I will read sometime. And we have here two little packages that I know he buys lots of stuff in this store, Uber Pens, my Uber Pens, and he got me some Parker Quink short cartridges, which is nice because I'm a fan of Parker Quink. I think he is also, and you can see all over his videos about Parker Quink washable blue. And so we have here a turquoise, pink, purple and red, and this is fun and I will for sure use them. And now let's go for the nice part of it. And we have here the Pilot Fermo. Whoa, and he sent me an extra nib. Whoa, this is amazing. This is a Pilot Fermo. And it was the Pilot Fermo that was in my wish list for a long time. But they are very, very, very expensive here in Portugal. Because they are not available in Europe, so we have to buy them somewhere else and pay quite a nice price to get them. So it is a very interesting pen that goes like this. I think this is amazing, and it is so smooth. I love this a lot. I have to say that I always liked the Pilot Capless system. I already have some Pilot Capless pens, and you can see them here. I will show them to you. I have these mustard yellow, oops, out of frame, mustard yellow. I have, this is kind of a modern one, but I have this vintage one, which is a faceted, but it is broken there, but it has a good nib. This is this is called the Green Kazuri or Carbonesque, and it is a finish that I like a lot. It has some texture and it is amazing. If I could, I would collect all the finishes of this version. They are available in green, blue, red, and white, and black. I also have this black stealth pen. It's matte black, only the nib is not black. This is a pen that I almost never use. And here we have the Capless, the blue Carbonesque, which is also a beautiful one. But I always wanted to have one of those, the Fermo. I was once in a job selection meeting, and the person that was making that, it was an awful experience. It didn't went well, but the person that was running that meeting, he had a pen like this, and I was amazed with it, and I think it is quite nice, and I'm loving how this works. It is so you just turn it a little bit and it will retract fully. It is beautiful. I like it a lot. I'm very happy with this. I think it is a little bit more back weighted than the other ones, but this is an interesting thing. I'm really amazed with this. So this pen has a fine nib. That was what I was expecting. And now I just found that he sent me another one. And I cannot read it well. I think it is a stub nib. And wow, I didn't expect that, so I'm really happy, really excited. This is a very dark green. It's really how I imagined it, and I'm sorry, this video is a little bit confusing, but I'm really enjoying this. I'm very happy for receiving this. So I have these letters that I need to read to see his explanation on why he sent me so much stuff. The pen and an extra nib and even the ink samples. And now I wonder if he is losing with our exchange. But okay, then I will talk with him. So I have to thank WaskiSquirrel for sending me this. I'm very, very happy with this pen. Finally, I have a Pilot Fermo. I'm really, really happy. So thank you for this opportunity, and thank you all for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. So see you next time. Bye.